Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about Pepe Coin, and yes, it's back in action. After a long time, we're finally seeing a pump in Pepe Coin, and this has got the community excited again. There's been a lot of positive news around Pepe lately, and in this video, we're going to break down the major updates, price action, and what's next for this meme coin. First, the price of Pepe Coin recently hit 74.98, and we saw a 74% pump in the market. That's a strong move. But even with this rise, we're still down 7 to 14% over the past week, and about 11% over the past month, so there's still room to recover. Now here's why people are getting bullish. Reason 1. Technical charts are showing strong momentum. Some analysts believe Pepe could touch 0.000040 in the near term. Reason 2. The number of Pepe holders is growing fast. A few weeks ago, there were around 416 holders. Now we're over 441,000. That's a massive jump and a clear sign of rising interest. Reason 3. A recent golden cross signal has been spotted, and whales have reportedly bought over 500 billion Pepe tokens. When whales move, it's usually for a reason. And there's more. Price prediction articles are suggesting that by 2025, Pepe could trade between 0.00085 and 0.00048. If this happens, a lot of current holders could not only recover their losses, but also see big profits. So, if you're holding Pepe at a loss, maybe at 50%, 40%, or even 60%, you might consider holding for a few more months. With market sentiment turning and strong fundamentals, recovery could be closer than you think. That's the latest update on Pepe Coin. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future updates.